Once upon a time, thousands of years ago, humans and wolves shared a wild, untamed world. Humans lived in small groups, hunting and gathering to survive, while wolves roamed in packs, hunting for their own food and territory. The connection between these two species, so different in nature, began in a place of necessity, perhaps even fate. No one can say exactly how it started, but many believe it happened when humans noticed that wolves lingered near their camps, drawn by the smell of leftover meat and scraps. At first, the wolves were wary of humans, and vice versa, but over time, something special happened. Some of the wolves, the gentler and less aggressive ones, became comfortable enough to approach the edge of the human camps, where they would scavenge without being chased away. These wolves slowly learned that humans could provide food, while humans realized that the wolves could offer protection from other predators. It was an unspoken agreement. The wolves would guard the camp from danger, and humans would let them stay. Through generations, these wolves gradually became friendlier, and humans began to see them not as wild predators, but as helpful allies. Some of these early wolves became what we might call proto-dogs, living closer to humans and beginning to show traits that made them easier to live with: curiosity, gentleness, and loyalty. Humans likely started to breed these animals selectively, favoring those that showed friendliness and obedience. As human civilizations developed, so did the role of dogs. They were no longer just guards or hunters. They became herders, companions, and even healers of a sort. In ancient Egypt, they were honored and depicted in art and tombs. In Greece and Rome, they were guardians and friends. Dogs helped humans hunt, defend their homes, and even tend to livestock, showing a remarkable ability to learn and adapt. In many cultures, dogs came to be seen as sacred, or as beings with a special connection to the spirit world. They were given names, cared for, and mourned when they passed. The bond between humans and dogs deepened, transcending the simple need for food or protection. In medieval Europe, dogs were kept by nobles for hunting and by commoners for companionship and work. The bond between humans and dogs grew even stronger as the world became more connected. They joined humans in exploration, war, and even space. During times of hardship, like the two world wars, dogs served in the military as messengers, rescuers, and even soldiers, proving their loyalty in ways that saved countless human lives. Today, dogs live in our homes, a part of our families. They serve as therapy animals, helping people with disabilities and emotional struggles. They compete in sports, act in movies, and even become social media stars. Dogs have become woven into the fabric of human life. They're our companions, our helpers, and sometimes our heroes. The bond between humans and dogs has stood the test of time, growing deeper with each passing century. We've evolved together, changing each other's lives in ways no one could have predicted thousands of years ago. From the edge of a campfire to the warmth of a modern home, humans and dogs have written a story together, a story of friendship, loyalty, and love.